Hello all you beautiful brides! I'm Alexandra from Cactus and Lace Weddings, and today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest so that you can help us envision your perfect wedding day. Start by opening your own Pinterest account. You should see your name and profile picture right here. Click on notifications, and from there you should see that you've been invited to this board. Click accept, and then you're free to view the board. Once you're in, you can see the title here, as well as everyone else who's been invited to collaborate, which means that they can pin and comment on pins as well. Here's where we put a few details about your wedding, which may include some notes about color, design, and the overall theme that we're going for. You can see what we're pinning by simply checking the name and profile picture listed at the top of the pin. Click on a pin and the image will appear larger. This is where a lot of the work and a lot of the fun is going to happen. If we have any questions or comments about a particular pin, you can find it here. Take, for example, this clear wedding cake topper. Leave a comment and let us know that you love it, or if it isn't really what you had in mind, tell us what you'd like to see instead, and hit reply. This will send your comment straight to us, and it will show up like this on our end. Now there are two ways that you can add your own pins to the wedding board. The first is by clicking the search bar at the top of the page and searching Pinterest for something you like, for example, wedding arches. If you see a wedding arch that you like, click it so that the image gets enlarged, then click the drop-down bar and save it to your wedding board. The other way that you can pin something to your wedding board is by clicking this little red plus sign up here. This will take you to a page where you can upload your own photos, like your dress or a picture of some flowers that you took on your phone. Tell us about it in the description. Click the name of your wedding board in the drop-down menu and then hit publish. Now what if we've pinned something that you don't like at all? Well, since you didn't create the board, you can't actually delete anything, but let us know if something is not your style. You can write something like, "I'd like to see ghost chairs instead of wood chairs." We edit the board frequently, so we take off the ideas that you don't like and update it with something that you do, once we get to know what style you're looking for. Well, I hope I was able to answer all of your pinning questions, but if not, you can always visit us at cactusandlace.com. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this channel and get notified about all of our upcoming videos where we'll share some excellent wedding tips like how to kiss for the camera and writing your own wedding vows. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Alexandra from Cactus and Lace Weddings, and we can't wait to tell your love story. Bye!